So then Prahlad makes a statement here about service, how the Lord gives benedictions according to the degree of service. This is text 27, chapter 9. Naisha paravara matir bhavato nanosyad jantur yatatma srido jagatastatapi samsevaya surataror ivate prasada sevana rupam udaya na paravaratvam. Samseva, seva anurupam. Prahlad said, unlike ordinary living entity, my Lord, you do not discriminate between friends and enemies, favorable and unfavorable. For you there is no conception of higher and lower. Nonetheless, you offer your benedictions according to the level of one's service, exactly as a tree delivers fruits according to one's desires, and makes no distinction between higher and lower. According to the service the living entity renders, tamam prapadyante, tam sateva bhajamyaham, he automatically receives benedictions from Krishna. One's relationship with the Supreme Lord is in proportion to that surrender and the service he renders to the Lord. Therefore, one's position in relation to the Lord is determined by one's desires. But if one is interested in returning home back to Godhead, he can also go there if that is his desire. According to the demands of a particular devotee, he receives a result by the grace of the Lord. The Lord does not discriminate, thinking, here is a person favorable to me, here is a person who is unfavorable. Rather, he fulfills everyone's desires. As it says in Nectar Instruction, or Nectar Isopanishad, Krishna is a self-sufficient philosopher who has been fulfilling everyone's desires since time immemorial. Then Prahlad says in verse 28, how can I leave the service of Narada Muni and become the ruler of Sutaloka, or of the planet? It is my first duty to serve him. And Prabhupada says that in the purport, one must first be prepared to serve the spiritual master, and when one is qualified, he is automatically offered the platform of direct service to the Lord. Soham gatam nu vrisujed tavabritam sevam. Prahlad was saying to Lord Nrsingadev, how can I give up the service of my spiritual master, who has favored me in such a way that I am now able to see you face to face? So Prahlad is praying to Lord Nrsingadev, just give me the opportunity that I can keep serving, keep engaged in the service of my spiritual master. That's the only benediction I want.